video will show you how to make a necklace with recycled materials. In this case, I've got these two or three, I should say, Seed-Bead bracelet that I'm gonna have to reuse or repurpose them. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories, while we increasing the integration of recycled materials in our work. We have started a journey in sustainability where we learn new things every day. We also recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse, and repurpose. If you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. I will show you today's material. So I've got these bracelets. Got these filigree findings and clasp bands. All our findings. Of course, jump rings. I've got two sizes today. I've got 6 or 7 should be, and this is a 4 mils. Got different flowers. To use them, but also I might change my mind. What else we got? Yes, I always use embellished or sequined nail polish. I've got half beads, silver half beads. Got the gun, craft glue, and my other tools. So I'll call this Yin Yang necklace, which I have just finished. Then I demonstrate to you how to do it. Thanks for watching. Stay humble and wonderful.